Hello friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix command prompt not working problem in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also face this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, right click on desktop, click on new, click on shortcut, then type here cmd.exe, then click on next, then click on finish, then right click on this, click on properties, click on advanced, then select here, then check here run as administrator, then click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. After doing this, try your problem fix or not. If not, open your control panel, click on system and security, click on system, then click on advanced system settings. In this you can see here environment variables, click here, then select here path, then click on edit. Go to the file explorer, open your C drive, then open Windows. Here you search syswof64, you can see here, click on this, open this option, then copy this path, then click on new, then paste here and click on OK. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.